everyone, it's Akira here. So today I'm gonna show you how to make sushi. So I have 5 ingredients here. The main ingredients is the rice. So I'm using a sushi rice, guys. So what's the difference of the normal rice and between the sushi rice? So the sushi rice is more sticky than the normal rice. And I have some carrots, avocado, and I have some salmon, smoked salmon, and I have the seaweed, the yakinori sushi. So this one, guys. So now my rice is ready. First, you need to cool down first the rice before you wrap everything, guys. So I have my rice ready here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna wash my hands and let's start. So now I finished wash my hands, and I forgot to tell you guys that you also need this bamboo. So I don't know what's the name, what do you call this one, but this is the traditional way on how to make sushi. There is a modern way, the plastic one, but I prefer the traditional one. This one, I had a hard time using those plastic ones, so yeah. So now guys, magsisimula na po tayo. Nilagay ko lang yung bamboo dito on top of the chopping board. And after, I'm gonna put the seaweed on top as well. So yung seaweed guys, meron siyang side na soak. So the other side, meron siyang mga lines. So like that, meron siyang mga lines dyan. So ito yung dapat, yung mga lines, ito yung dapat andito, yung naka-face. Naka-face sa'yo. And then after that, we'll put the rice on top of the seaweed. Ayan. Press mo lang guys. Just press it. So itong mga line guys, ito yung parang sign na hindi lalagpas yung rice. So ito yung line dito. Dapat hindi lalagpas yung rice doon, tsaka dito. So, just keep pressing it until mag-spread po siya. Ayan guys. So, after mo mapuno yung seaweed sa rice, put the salmon. So, I'm using the salmon guys. You can put anything you want. You can put chicken teriyaki. I used to put chicken teriyaki, but Matthew he preferred salmon. So I'm using salmon this time. And you can put any vegetables you want. It's really up to you guys. So now I'm gonna put the salmon and just put in the center guys. So dapat nasa gitna talaga sila. Ayan. And then after, I'm gonna put the carrots. And then after, I'm gonna put the avocado. Alright guys, so after you put everything in the center, just roll it. And then pull a little bit here. Ganyan. So, dapat i-tighten mo siya, guys. So, yan po yung sushi natin. And then, i-chop lang natin sila. So, now guys, I'm using the very sharp knife. You really need to use the very sharp knife, guys. If not, didikit po yung rice sa knife at hindi mo siya makakat ng maayos. So, ano lang, advice lang. Dapat napaka-sharp yung knife. So, first, just cut in the middle. And then after, i-cut mo ulit sa gitna. Slowly. Ayan. So guys, yung ginagawa ko, pag yung knife is maganito siya sa rice, huhugasan ko yung knife para mag-sharp siya ulit. Kasi para hindi siya didikit yung rice. At hindi yun masisira. I'm just gonna wash the knife and then I'll be back. Guys, ito na po ang aking sushi. Ayan. Ayan guys. So, try na po natin. So guys, ito na po yung aking sushi. So, as I've said before, you can put anything sa sushi. It's really up to you guys. Yung sa akin is salmon lang, avocado at carrots. So, now guys, tikman na natin. Oh, before that one, hindi makukumpleto yung sushi ko pag wala akong kikuman, soy sauce, and wasabi. That one, guys. Yes, I love wasabi now. Hindi talaga makukumpleto ang sushi ko or any Japanese food if wala akong wasabi. So, yung iba, ayaw nila ng wasabi kasi napakaanghang daw. Yes, it's so hot. Pero, just put a little bit para makaya mo lang yung anghang niya. So, now guys, I'm gonna start. Yan. Kunti lang guys. Kunti lang. Ayan. I have mouth-watering. And then, ito. Nilagay ko na ang soy sauce dito. And I'll just eat the whole thing. Oh my god. I feel the wasabi. Nandito siya sa nose ko. I feel the spice of wasabi and I have a teary eye, but still I love it. So, alright guys. So, kakainin lang po namin to. Ayaw ko pong magmukbang kasi gusto ko talagang mag-focus ako pag ako yung kakain. So guys, this is all my vlog for today. I hope meron po kayong natutunan kung paano gumawa ng sushi. And thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!